Alright, so if you're looking for a cheap alternative to your lash extension, then look no further. This is what you should be doing, and this video is what you should be watching.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Wang. If you're new here, welcome, join the family, click the subscribe button down below. Team Wang fam, what's up? If you're not new here, then thank you so much for joining me again. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you are already subscribed. Alright, so in today's video, here's what we're gonna do. Alright, fix some seat good. Alright, so we want to do a lash extension tutorial. Alright, so usually I'd use my sassy lashes to do my lash extensions, but I got an idea. I decided I'm going to be using my magnetic lashes to do my lash extensions. Alright, and this is a first for me because I've never used, well, two firsts. I've never used a strip lash to do my extension. I was actually planning on using this strip lash right here to do the extension, but I figured why not use my magnetic lashes. So that's what I'm going to be using, my Sicily lashes, my Lancely magnetic lashes, to do my lash extension application. Alright, so which one of these am I gonna be using? I'm gonna be using one that looks really realistic to do it. I'm thinking I'll probably use these since these ones are gone. I really like using these ones. This one looks real realistic, but I'm gonna be using these ones. So here's what we'll need. Alright, and I already had my little package right here. We'll need a spoolie or glue, and I use hair glue, not recommended, but that's the one I use. Let me put that out there. The tweezer to apply the lashes, and the lashes, of course. Scissors to cut the lashes to give you the individual lashes. All right, so let's jump straight into this. All right, so guys, what we'll do is we'll cut in between where you have the magnet on the lashes, because we don't want those to like interfere with the extension. So this is what the lashes look like when I cut them in between the magnet and the lashes. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but that's a magnet right there. That's the magnet right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these to my lashes. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead with our glue, and I'm just gonna tip a little bit of the glue on my hand. I usually use the back of my hand when I'm doing anything. I use it to put my makeup, to put my glue when I'm doing these kind of things. Alright, so guys, firstly you need to ensure that the items that you're using are clean, because you have to remember that this is your eyes. Alright, so I'm going ahead and I'm just cleaning my spoolie on wipes here before I place it on my lashes. Ensure that your face is clean as well, and ensure that there is nothing in your lashes like old glue or any of that. All right, mascara, nothing. So you want to ensure that your lashes are clean so that the lashes will stick properly. Alright, so because it's magnetic lashes, they're kind of sticking to each other, so we have to kind of keep them apart. Alright, so let's start. So alright, this is my spoolie, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of play with my lashes a little bit, comb it out, and ensuring that at the same time ensuring that there's nothing sticking in my lashes. Alright. Alright, and when you're doing these lash extension, you really are supposed to put the lashes here, like in between the lashes where the lashes lie. But for these extensions, I'm gonna put the lashes right under here, like right underneath the eyelashes. All right, so this is not really recommended, it's recommended, or when the technicians are doing your lashes, they put the lashes in between the lashes here. All right, but these lashes, unfortunately, they can't do that, so I'm going to put them underneath here. Just a disclaimer again. So we're going to get the glue, a little bit tacky, and then we start applying them. And guess what we use to apply them, guys? Or tweezer. So I'm just wiping the tweezer off as well, ensuring that it's clean, and I am going to take up like just how the lashes were, like you have a shorter one at the end here and a shorter one at that end. That's how I'm going to put them. So I'm going to look for a shorter piece, and then the longer piece is going along, and then to the inner corner another short piece. All right, so let's go. Here goes the lashes, and you put the glue on this end. Like for this lash, you're gonna put the glue on the top right there. All right, so I put it on this end just like that, not a lot, just a little bit, and then I go ahead and apply just like that. I'm gonna pick up a piece that's a bit longer, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the glue on it, and then allow it to get tacky a little bit more, and then I apply it. Now guys, remember that these are magnets on the back of the lashes. Alright, so what you need to do is not put the tweezer like at the tip of the base of the lash, because it's just gonna attract it, right? It's just gonna stick to the tweezer, it's not gonna go on the eye. Alright guys, please remember that please note that if it was a pair of regular lashes, then you wouldn't be having this problem. Just because I decided I'm going to use the magnetic ones. And that's the amount of glue that I use. I use a spoolie to push it up, the lash up a little bit, ensuring that it's firm on, because if I'm to use the tweezer, then it's just gonna stick and pick it right off. So let's go with another piece, and remember for the middle, guys, we're using the longer pieces of lashes. So you see, it's very self-explanatory, it's not hard. So if you can't afford a lash extension, then you could try this alternative. So that's one eye done, guys, and that's like 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with these lashes. With this lash now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. Okay guys, so this is how the lashes look with my makeup done, and I am going to take the leap and say that these look pretty realistic, okay? And it's not a leap, it's actually the truth. They do look very realistic, much like fusion lashes. I think that I have a new thing that I can try, because as I said, that this is my first time using my strip lashes to do my lash extension. Alright, I'd usually use these individual lashes, but this is a very, very good alternative, because to do your lash extensions, it can be very, very pricey, especially here in Jamaica. But yeah, these are my lashes. All right, and I want to give a huge shout out to Rmbr Beauty Bar. If you want to get your lash extensions done at a good cost, then you can go over and check her out for your lash extensions. All right, but yeah, that's it for this video. I like it. Let me show you a little bit of close-up. All right, and at the bottom. Alright, so if you're looking for a cheap alternative to your lash extension, then look no further. This is what you should be doing, and this video is what you should be watching. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Remember, we're on our road to 2K, and after that we're going all the way to 10K. Alright, so remember guys, to share this video with somebody who you think would like this kind of content, or persons who you think would like these kind of videos. I do hauls, I do makeup, I do hair videos, all, lifestyle, all kind of thing. Alright, so go ahead and share the video, click subscribe. You do not need to be this point in the video and you're not already subscribed. So go ahead and check out my other videos, click subscribe and share the video. Comment also, let me know how you feel about this technique of doing your lash extension, and let me know if you'll be trying it. If you do, you can go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Mishiwang Vlogs. Yes, I like to connect with you guys over there as well, so go ahead and check my page out. But let me stop the talking right now. Thank you so much for watching guys.